Substitution is a way to make a complicated integral easier by changing part of the expression into a new variable, usually called u. The theorem says, let u be g of x. That means we choose some inside function and call it u. Then the integral of f of g of x times g prime of x dx can be written as the integral of f of u du. In simple words, we are replacing the inside function with u. And we are replacing its derivative times dx with du. So the goal is turn everything from x into u. Once the integral is only in terms of u, it becomes much easier to integrate. Here are the steps. Step 1, choose u. Usually, u is the inside function. Step 2, find du. Take the derivative of u, then multiply by dx. So du equals the derivative of u times dx. Step 3, rewrite the integral in terms of u. This is very important. After we substitute, we should not have any x's left in the integral. Everything should be written using u and du. Step 4, integrate. And step 5, substitute back. At the end, since the original problem used x, our final answer should also be back in terms of x. Now, let's look at example 1. We want to find the antiderivative of 3x squared times x to the third minus 3 squared dx. Before we start solving, let's check the pattern. Remember, substitution works when we see an inside function and its derivative nearby. So the inside function is x to the third minus 3, and the derivative of x to the third minus 3 is 3x squared. So we let u be x to the third minus 3. So we can replace x to the third minus 3 with u. Next, we need to find du. To find du, I need to take the derivative of u, which is du over dx, and that is 3x squared. Then I multiply both sides by dx. I get du equals 3x squared dx. From this integral, we have 3x squared times dx, and this can be replaced by du. So x to the third minus 3 is replaced by u. And 3x squared dx is replaced by du. So the integral becomes this, the integral of u squared du. Notice what happened here. We no longer have x to the third minus 3. We no longer have 3x squared. We no longer have dx. Everything now is written in terms of u. That is exactly what we want. When we substitute, we must turn the whole integral into u, not leave some pieces in x. So now, the problem is much easier. We just integrate. Using the power rule to integrate u squared, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by the new exponent. So we have u to the third over 3. And do not forget to add the plus c. Now we're almost done. But we cannot leave the answer in terms of u because the original problem was in terms of x. So we substitute back. U equals x to the third minus 3. So we replace u with x to the third minus 3. So the final answer is x to the third minus 3 to the third over 3 plus c.